I'm gonna show you the difference between a front lunge and reverse lunge. Because in a front lunge, your front, all your momentum and all the weight that your body's holding is going from this stationary position to all the impact on your front knee. Everything in front knee's taking that brute force, and you're going down. You're gonna kill your knees like that, y'all. Compared to reverse lunge, all your weight is here, staying here, you're going back. This is stationary the whole time, so your knees are not getting that impact. Nice and safe. Wonderful, smooth transition. Back up. Remember, save those knees, y'all. If you're young, you're not gonna feel it. When you reach my age and older, you'll start feeling those knee problems, y'all. So stay safe.